ng ating awards, 5 tropeyo ang ating ipamamahagi. We begin with the Folk Country Recording of the Year.
Dodo, Casey Tandingan, Star Music. Director, Nick Ablao. Inday, TJ Monterde, Poly East Records. Leron Sinta, Debonair District, Warner Music. Ben, Pasalubong, Sony Music Philippines. Tulog Na, Muri, Warner Music.
And the star for Folk Country Recording of the Year goes to... Dodong, Casey Tandingan, Star Music. Talagang nagpapasaya sa marami ang lyrics at beat ng mga novelty songs. At maraming novelty song performers ang umangat noong panahon ng pandemya.
Alex Gonzaga, WKT, Tarsier and Star Music. Ate Gay, May Himala, Tarsier and Star Music. Eugene Layu, Landiin Niyo Na Ako, OC Records. Madam Inuts, Inutil, Independent. Maris Racal, Ate Sandali. Ama Kabugera, May Entrata, Star Music. Wilbert Ross, Crush Kong Curly, Viva Records.
And the star for the Novelty Artist of the Year goes to... May Entrata, Ama Kabugera, Star Pop and Star Music.
Thank you po, PMTC. Way talagang nagulat sa award na ito. Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang recognition na ito at naway abangan niyo po ang aking mga bagong kanta po this year. So maraming salamat po. Ito po para sa inyo at sa aking my loves. Yan po. At syempre, binabagi ko lahat, binabalik ko lahat sa Panginoon. So nagbigay sa akin ito. Thank you po.
Ama Kabugera, May Entrata, Star Music. Maris Racal, Ate Sandali. Wilbert Ross, Crush Kong Curly, Viva Records. Eugene Layu, Landiin Niyo Na Ako, OC Records. Madam Inuts, Inutil, Independent. Ate Gay, May Himala, Tarsier and Star Music. Alex Gonzaga, WKT, Tarsier and Star Music.
The star for Novelty Song of the Year goes to... Ama Kabugera, May Entrata, Star Pop and Star Music. Moving on to the compilation album of the year, mga kantang galing sa isa o maraming albums, pinagsama-sama para makabuo ng isang album.
Awit Kapuso Volume 12, GMA Music. Awit Kapuso Volume 13, GMA Music. FPJ's Ang Probinsyano, Tarsier and Star Music. Heart of Asia, the best of Asian novella theme songs, GMA Music. Himig 11th edition, Tarsier and Star Music. OPM Fresh Songwriters Edition Volume 1, Tarsier and Star Music. Rachel Alejandro, The Great OPM Songbook, Volume 1, Tarsier and Star Music.
And the star for compilation album of the year goes to... FPJ's Ang Probinsyano, Tarsier and Star Music. Mga sikat na artists nagsama-sama para makagawa ng mas magandang musika.
DJ Unyo, Bakit, Universal Records. Hoy Love You, Regine Velasquez and Ogie Alcacid, Star Music. Flo G, Ibong Adarna, Viva Records. Ikaw at Ako, Moira De La Torre, Jason Marvin, Star Music. Lunod, Ben and Ben featuring Zild and Juan Carlos, Sony Music. Puso Ko'y Laan, Jean Juanich and Michael Laigo, MG Records. You Rock, Matthias featuring Michael Pacquiao, Midas Records.
The star for collaboration of the year goes to... Ikaw at Ako, Moira De La Torre and Jason Marvin, Star Music. Acoustic at revival recording pararangalan sa pagbabalik ng 14th Star Awards for Music.